Plant FAQs. Hoya Fitchii. Hoya Fitchii, unveiling the beauty and care of this Philippine gem. Hello, plant enthusiasts. I'm Vu, and today, we're diving deep into the world of Hoya Fitchii, a captivating climber native to the Philippines. This stunning plant has captured the hearts of collectors worldwide with its unique foliage and vibrant blooms. Whether you're a seasoned Hoya aficionado or a curious newbie, this FAQ will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cultivate a thriving Hoya Fitchii. See more 566 species and genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What makes Hoya Fitchii special? Hoya Fitchii boasts stunning, fleshy leaves with prominent veins that dance across their surface. The leaves, often oval-shaped with pointed tips, truly come alive when exposed to bright, indirect light, showcasing a vibrant green that adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. But the beauty doesn't stop there. Hoya Fitchii produces clusters of fragrant, star-shaped flowers that range from coral orange to a soft pink, depending on the growing conditions. The delightful fragrance, often described as a sweet, musky scent, adds another layer of sensory pleasure to this captivating plant. Hoya Fitchii versus Hoya Carnosa, a tale of two Hoyas. New Hoya enthusiasts often confuse Hoya Fitchii with its close relative, Hoya Carnosa, also known as the wax plant. While they share some similarities, there are key distinctions between these two popular Hoyas. Leaves. Hoya Fitchii's leaves are typically smaller and pointier than Hoya Carnosa's, which tend to be rounder and fleshier. Flowers. Hoya Fitchii's flowers are clustered and smaller compared to Hoya Carnosa's, which produces larger, singular blooms. Growth habit. Hoya Fitchii is a vigorous climber, while Hoya Carnosa can be trained to climb or cascade. Ultimately, the choice between these two Hoyas boils down to personal preference. If you desire a compact plant with delicate features and clustered blooms, Hoya Fitchii might be your perfect match. How to care for Hoya Fitchii? Now that you're smitten with Hoya Fitchii, let's explore the essentials for keeping this beauty thriving. Light. Hoya Fitchii flourishes in bright, indirect light. South-facing windows with sheer curtains are ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Don't overwater your Hoya Fitchii. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Signs of thirst include wrinkled leaves. When watering, ensure water drains freely from the pot's drainage holes. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a succulent or cactus mix or create your own by combining perlite, orchid bark, and aroid mix. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal for Hoya Fitchii. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or investing in a humidifier can create a more humid environment. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Withhold fertilizer during the winter months. Beyond the basics, tips for a thriving Hoya Fitchii. Climbing support. Provide your Hoya Fitchii with a moss pole or trellis to encourage its climbing nature. This not only allows the plant to showcase its cascading beauty, but also promotes better air circulation. Temperature. Hoya Fitchii thrives in average room temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or extreme temperature fluctuations. Blooming. Patience is key when it comes to Hoya Fitchii blooms. Mature plants flower more readily, and providing sufficient light and proper care can encourage blooming. Conclusion. Embrace the allure of Hoya Fitchii. With its captivating foliage, fragrant blooms, and relatively easy care requirements, Hoya Fitchii is a true gem for any plant collection. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving Hoya Fitchii that will reward you with its undeniable beauty for years to come. So, welcome this Philippine wonder into your home and witness its magic unfold.